What if I told you there's a spice so valuable it was once traded like gold? A natural remedy used for centuries to ease pain, boost immunity, and promote restful sleep. The best part? You can get it today for less than $5. I'm talking about cloves. In this video, you'll uncover the incredible health benefits of this powerful spice. Plus, I'll show you how to make and use clove tea before bedtime to unlock its full potential. But here's the catch: clove tea isn't for everyone. That's why I'll guide you on how to enjoy it safely and avoid any risks. Before we dive in, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Let's make this our most liked video ever. Do you already drink clove tea at night? Or is this your first time hearing about its benefits? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear where you're tuning in from and your thoughts on this topic. What happens when you drink clove tea before bed? Let's get into it. 1. Improved digestion. Drinking clove tea after dinner helps your body break down food more efficiently. Cloves contain eugenol, a compound that stimulates digestive enzymes, giving your system a little extra help processing that last meal of the day. 2. Reduced inflammation. Cloves are nature's anti-inflammatory agents. Eugenol in cloves works to reduce inflammation by targeting enzymes that cause swelling, similar to medications like ibuprofen, but naturally and gently. 3. Better sleep. Did you know that cloves contain compounds that support relaxation? Beta-caryophyllene, a natural sedative found in cloves, helps you drift into a peaceful sleep without the grogginess caused by synthetic sleep aids. 4. Antioxidant power. Cloves are loaded with antioxidants like vitamin C and flavonoids. These nutrients help repair your body while you sleep, acting as a night shift cleaning crew to combat free radicals and promote overall wellness. 5. Metabolic support. Clove tea doesn't promise instant weight loss, but it does help optimize your metabolism while you rest. This supports your body's natural processes, keeping things running smoothly even as you sleep. 6. Oral health benefits. Clove tea creates a protective barrier in your mouth that fights harmful bacteria responsible for tooth decay. It's like giving your teeth an overnight security guard to keep them healthy. 7. Bone health support. Cloves contribute to maintaining strong bones. The compounds in cloves help balance the natural process of bone rebuilding and breakdown, supporting better bone density over time. 8. Respiratory relief. For those with mild congestion or respiratory issues, cloves can offer gentle relief. Their natural properties help clear airways and reduce irritation, making breathing easier while you sleep. 9. Heart health. The antioxidants in cloves support your cardiovascular system by protecting blood vessels and promoting healthy circulation. It's like giving your heart a little extra care during its nighttime maintenance work. 10. Liver support. Your liver works hard at night to process toxins, and clove tea can give it a boost. The natural compounds in cloves protect liver cells, helping them function more efficiently. How to make clove tea. Here's a simple recipe to get started. Take 5 to 6 whole cloves and a cup of water. Bring the water to a boil, then add the cloves. Let it simmer for 5 minutes, then strain. Your calming nighttime tea is ready to enjoy. You can drink this tea before bed or any time of day when you need a wellness boost. Who should avoid clove tea? While clove tea is safe for most, some people should approach it with caution. If you have a sensitive stomach, large amounts of cloves might cause irritation. Clove essential oil is highly concentrated and should never be consumed directly. Stick to the mild benefits of clove tea instead. If you're on blood-thinning medication or have a bleeding disorder, consult your doctor before adding cloves to your diet. Moderation is key. Pay attention to your body's response and always seek professional advice if you're unsure. What's your favorite benefit of clove tea? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, type yes